Hello again. Welcome back. Let's do this figure 31 for ArchiMetal. Actually, this is kind of the beyond ArchiMetal company is linking with the Archi builder. This process, this view called the business process view, but actually we are using the business function in the middle and the business object in the top and the bottom to try to see what are the data flow from every business function from left to right and back from right to left. That is our interesting way of using ArchiMetal language to simulate this machinery industry, the business process. I believe you may find some the relevant information from this ISA 95 standards set. But for us, we try to use Archi2 to make this drawing. Let's open our model and first create our view. So use here, and this is the figure. Yeah, so sorry. So let me see. We don't have this figure 19. So possible that is no, I save that here. Figure 19 for fill. Okay. Let me create that. So open this last video. So I made this figure 30. So, but I didn't save that back to our generic model file. So here, so now is this generic model file. We can starting do more models from this version. So figure 31. So it's called the business process view, but actually we don't use the business process notation here. We use the business function. So let's see what kind of the business function we already have. Enterprise. Here is the enterprise for the first three, and the control for second, the last two. So we don't have those part. So let's make our new folder. So let's see the related to RP builder. So we create that and using the function enterprise marketing sales. I have copied that just to save time. And then we have to control. Okay, we have these 5 things. Make that bigger. Looks like some is yeah. So enterprise first is the starting from sales and then the order, scheduling, control. So that is the 5 the business function. Then let's double check is our business object what we have. So order status, let's see, order status. We have that. So we already have this. Scheduling confirmation. Oh, I don't think so. Let's make this expand. And you can quickly see here, scheduling. No, let's create our Archi Archi builder part. So we don't have this one. Archi builder related. So we have this in the second scheduling confirmation local. So duplicate this, then press F2 and rename. So that is here. Then production confirmation. Do we have those? No. Production confirmation, no. Then order, we don't have the order. That's interesting. So, you may say we miss here and there for some element, but sometimes if you're doing the comprehensive the modeling, I think it's most of the object you should have a full set. So those business object should be verified is from your data architect or information architect. Production scheduling updates, so we don't have those. So business object. And then it's based on site area specific. And we will have that duplicate production scheduler schedule cell unit line specific. So we can expand these two. This will be bigger. So let's align them. Then we start to use the access. Access is if you use access from function to order means we read or we write. So market and sales write into the order data, and this order data will be read by the next step. So first is let's make all these link, because by default is the access is coming from the business function to the business object, and then we should have this one change to read, this change to read. Let's see whether we can multi-select and change together. That's perfect. Then we need to change this to the different direction. Yeah, let's change that to read. That's good. So this already done for this business process view. So compared to the Archi assurance, the business process naming here is kind of a different flavor, because these are machinery industry. The business processes are the production process meaning. So we call that a business process, but actually we use the business function and the information entity to link to them. So I hope it's through this view you get some idea for how to model the production, the information, the views. Thank you. So next view, we will have a little complex about the cross modeling, about the information layer, but that it will be our last view. Keep on that. See you then.